In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a typing text effect in Google Sites. Whether you're looking to add some flair to your site or simply enhance the user experience with dynamic content, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to a website that provides the code for this effect. Open your browser and go to rahmanzeb.com, a helpful resource for custom code snippets for typing text effects in Google Sites. Here you'll find a prepared script that you're going to use. Once you're on the site, look for the option that says Copy to Clipboard. Simply click on this button and you'll have the code snippet ready to be pasted later. Next, head over to your Google site where you wish to feature this typing text effect. Open your site and ensure you are in the editing mode. Once you are there, you're going to add this script via an embed option. Look toward the upper right corner for a button labeled embed. Click on it to proceed. You'll be prompted with two options, URL and embed code. Since we have a script, we need to select embed code, which is usually available underneath or next to the URL option. With the embed code panel open, you're ready to paste the code that you copied earlier. Click into the text area provided and use the paste function, typically done by right-clicking and selecting paste, or by using the shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. With the code in place, there's a next button you'll need to click. This step allows Google Sites to process the code and prepare it for inserting. After clicking next, you should see a preview of the effect or some additional options. This means everything is going well. From here you'll see an insert button available for you to click. Pressing insert uploads the code onto your page. Almost there, just one last touch. Finally, to position the new typing effect, simply click and drag it to your desired location on the page. It's often highly effective to place it in the header section, as this catches visitors' eyes immediately upon landing on your site. Carefully place it where you prefer and release the mouse button to drop it into position. And that's it. You've successfully added a typing text effect to your Google site, injecting a touch of dynamic style into your web pages. Remember, this kind of feature can significantly enhance user engagement by making your content more interactive and visually appealing. Don't forget to preview your site and ensure everything looks just right. If you make any adjustments, feel free to revisit these steps as needed. Thank you for watching and happy customizing.